We don't actually get to see this normally in Abu Dhabi, but look at the clouds, man. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Look at the tide. Well, actually no, the water level is quite high, and the water in the canal is like quite choppy. Usually during this time, I know it is like 1 o'clock, but there'll be people jogging as well, but not today. Today is the time to sleep and snuggle. Oh, I can just imagine taking an afternoon nap now after a hearty lunch. It's not a still picture, they're just not moving because they're wondering what's that beeping sound. How do you like that massage, sir? Very nice. What about you, ma'am? Do you want me to concentrate more on your shoulder? Or more on your back? More on your bum? Let's go! Show you what we have inside beside the ping pong table that we're playing at. There's also this foosball table, another one over there, and the second ping pong table here. And inside this room, there are 2 pool tables. So basically, if we want to play, all we have to do is just get the balls from the receptionist. Thanks for watching. Click here for more. Click here to subscribe. Bye.